I would describe this hair bow the Messier, the Prettier. This is my sewing machine and I promise I won't touch this for the rest of this video. Hi, welcome to Anjalisa's crafting room, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful messy hair bow. The Messier, the Prettier. Stay tuned! So the first thing is to choose your own fabric. I am using jersey knit fabric right here. Because we are making this without any sewing machine, I suggest you to use a fabric that won't fade, and I think that jersey knit fabric works best for this because when you cut the fabric, it won't fade and it's tidy. There are 3 pieces of fabric and I will use the first piece. Let's take aside. The size is about 16.5 by 7 inches. I will write the size in centimeter and inches in the screen. So let's fold this a little. And please keep in mind that the messier the prettier, so you don't have to follow all the exact measurement, but I will give this about 2 inches and then fold about 4 inches, measure about 4 inches right here, and then we are going to fold the fabric. Fold it, and then fold it again, fold it, and just tuck this inside, and we are going to fold it like this. It's like this. And then we will gather the fabric right in the center. But if you don't want to use a needle, you can just scrunch the fabric like this, scrunch it, and then you tie it. You tie the fabric using a sewing thread, but I will use my sewing needle. Just gather the fabric right in the center here. And remember, if you don't want to use needle and thread, just tie it directly using a sewing thread. It's like this. You can just tie the fabric. As you can see, we tied the bow right in the center. And before we shaping the bow, I would like to attach a hair clip right at the back side of the bow because jersey knit fabric is very slouchy, it will fall. So before I ruin the shape, I want to attach a hair clip right at the back side of the bow. So let's attach a hair clip. And now let's take the second piece of the fabric. The size is about 6 by 6 inches. It's a square shape. I'm going to fold the fabric like this. And remember that you don't have to fold it very tidy. The messier, the prettier. Next, I'm going to take the sewing needle and thread. And remember that if you don't want to use a sewing needle and thread, you can just scrunch it like this. And then you tie the fabric right in the center. But I want to use a sewing needle and thread. As you can see, the shape is kind of messy. Next, I'm going to attach the second piece of the fabric to the first piece using hot glue gun. Just put a glue right in the center here, and I'm going to attach this right here. Next, I'm going to use the third piece of the fabric. The size is about 9 inch by 6 inches, and I'm going to fold it this way. Just fold it like this, and we are going to scrunch right in the center here, and then we are going to tie it right in the center of the bow. So you can just wrap it on the bow here, and you tie a knot. Tie it tightly, just to close the sewing thread right in the center, to hide the sewing thread. Can tie it tightly. As you can see, the Messier, the Prettier. And our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and comment below about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye bye. You know, one thing that I like when I attach the hair clip is to press the glue, and you can see the glue is half dry, so I'm just going to press it with my scissors, and it's flat down.